Your job is to review the LinkedIn profiles of candidates for work, but remember, it works both ways. Watch our video and discover 5 tips on how to make a perfect recruiter profile. 1. The profile picture. Having a picture makes your profile 14 times more likely to be viewed by others. Make sure your headshot is professional as well as approachable and friendly. You don't have to make a real business photo shoot, but remember about these few things when taking a shot. Make sure your face takes up at least 60% of the frame. Take care of your facial expression. Good if you appeared warm and friendly. Choose a background that isn't distracting to make your face the focal point of the picture. Make a couple of different photos and ask your colleagues to help you pick the best one. 2. Contact information. As a recruiter, you have to be in touch with candidates. Set your contact info with phone number, email address, or link to your company's website to facilitate communication between you and your clients. 3. Personalize the URL for your profile. Your LinkedIn profile is like your business card, so do everything to make it inviting and professional. You can set up your own personalized link by entering your profile and clicking Edit Public Profile and URL in the upper right corner. Remember to make it short and easy to remember. Also, you cannot use spaces, symbols, and special characters. 4. Make your profile searchable and stand out. The headline is the first element after your picture that people see when they visit your profile. It's also the way in which they can find you when using the search engine. Create a headline that easily indicates your job title. Use keywords that people often use like HR specialist, recruiter, or headhunter. It's also a good idea to think about your mission and write something creative that will make you stand out from the crowd. You can also use the About section for this. Before writing your content, ask yourself a few questions. Who am I? How can I help people visiting my profile? Why am I the best person to help them? 5. Think of your audience and interactions, then act. Everyone who enters your LinkedIn profile sees your latest activity, posts, comments, reactions, and shares. That's why your actions should be aligned with your goals. Before interacting, it's good to answer these questions. What is the purpose of your LinkedIn presence? Do you want to build brand awareness? Do you want to drive traffic to your job posts? Or maybe something else? Think about the goal. The next question should be, what kind of candidates are you looking for? What kind of content do they find useful? What kind of activity would make them trust you? Think about it before taking any action. Also, ask yourself, what kinds of problems do you want to solve? How do you make other people's lives easier? What makes your company or offer special? What's in it for them? After learning the answers, it's time to engage and enrich your profile with purpose-driven interaction and shares. Hope these tips will be useful and help you attract more candidates to your LinkedIn profile. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be up to date with a dose of HR knowledge.